So have you ever done something and instantly regretted it? Well, this is what happened with me, and this is what our video is going to be about. Well, not about, but this is how I started my day off. Well, I ended my day yesterday. I decided to back in here because everything was ice and the garbage man had to come get the garbage. It was a lot more ice, but it was 50 degrees the other day, so a lot of it was melting from from yesterday to today. Yeah, so I decided to back where I parked my camper, and that didn't work out so good, so yeah, we messed up. A wise man once told me, once you know how to make money and work hard, you'll never be poor. Well, this is how I make my money. So I decided to use the Tonka truck, considering the dump trailer and the white truck were full, which I emptied yesterday and I didn't video it. Backup truck had some stuff too. But I'm actually not that stuck anymore. I'm pretty sure I can pull out. As you see, I backed up and she did the old slide. But if you've ever been to Home Depot, you know what these are. These are the roll, I want to say carts, I guess. And these are those like bifolding, like things they put across the aisles. And there was just a bunch of like random racks and things we threw in here. And the same thing on here. These are like, hold on, let me get up in here without falling. These are like these metal racks. I don't know. I mean, maybe if you were going to use them that like put sides on like a trailer or something, probably weld to them. They're pretty sturdy wire. They're not like anything crazy. But we have a bunch of this stuff on. There's 2 pallets on here we slid on. 2 pallets about, oh, let me get down without dying mold. I would say those pallets are probably about 4 foot. So 2 4-foot pallets of this stuff. It's not too heavy, but it feels heavy. I mean, there's some thicker stuff in there. Like that's like a metal pallet that goes to these systems. I don't know. But so I guess there's a bunch of ladders and more of these things that the bottom and the wheels are all messed up on. So I guess, you know, the big yellow ladders that go up for the shelving, that take stuff off the shelves. There's a bunch of that stuff. So you're not going anywhere, right? All right. And you see there was a bunch of these rods for the posts. It was just weight to me. But yeah, so we're gonna run to the scrapyard, get rid of this, and then I'm gonna go back down there, which is gonna be a lot of driving today, probably about 3 hours worth of driving. So an hour and 10 minutes there, and then an hour and 10 minutes to get back to my house and then go past it. Sorry, I had to stop the video. I just had a sneeze attack. All right, boys, letting the truck warm up, but we're gonna go out. We're gonna use the Tonka truck. Listen to the coyote a little bit today. All right, so we're on our way to the scrapyard here. I was trying to angle the camera so you guys weren't in the light. Sorry if you're shaky. There's gonna be a shaky spot here. But this load feels pretty heavy, and I don't know if it's just because I've been driving around in the new truck, the GMC, but I don't know, man. This feels really heavy. I had to slow down because of a car. Like, I'm on a hill, and I haven't drove this truck in a while, so I don't know if the Tonka truck's giving up the ghost, but I might have to floor it. I mean, I got up to 40, what's between 25 and 50 miles an hour right there. I don't know. Is this load really that heavy? Like I said, I haven't drove this truck in a while, so I don't know, man. It's feeling heavy. I don't know. Maybe there's some weight here, or I might just used to driving a new truck. Spoiled. But I got to go unload this stuff and get that other crap. It is what it is. Another busy day. And then I have more stuff to pick up. That's in the opposite direction. And going east, west, north, and south today, boys. But it is what it is, man. It's Friday. All right, guys, Red Allen Industries pulling over the scale right now. I don't know, man. It pulled heavy, man. It did not feel light. 11,800. So we have like 3,000 pounds on. All right, guys. So as you see, we had 4,000 pounds. We made a little over $300. I like how I put yellow Tonka truck trailer. But yeah, guys, I kind of edited out some other stuff, but I can't tell you how much I make per ton because I was told not to show. But yeah, guys, we're going to head down to Home Depot and get another load. All right, guys, so I loaded everything up. Kind of pissed off the manager, didn't know anything. And she had me on hold for like 10 minutes while she talked to somebody on the phone. Personal shit while I was standing here, so I was extremely rude. I mean, I shouldn't be, but yeah, so while she's talking on the phone, I walked away. I went over here, kicking in the snow and everything. She came walking over there, just didn't say nothing to me. After 10 minutes of me waiting for her, all she had to do is 30 seconds to tell me, hey, these don't go and that don't go. Made me wait 10 minutes standing there. So I hate dealing with this. When it was the other guy, I never had this problem. And this is the stuff, I could have picked this easily up as you've seen the trailer this morning. I could have put this on top in the back of the truck. Made me come all the way down here for that. And this big ladder, she said, oh, they probably fixed that. I called the other manager and he's like, oh no, I want that to go. And she's arguing with me. I'm like, you know what? I don't care. Whatever. So I ended up getting another one of these things. It's no good because it's bent. Whatever. Couple old shopping carts, 4 old shopping carts, and 3 of these ladders that are all bent up. So it was actually a freaking waste to come down here. I should have just got this the other day, but since nobody knew nothing and everybody was like, "Mrr," they were a freaking Millie mouth. Whatever. Gonna stop at Taco Bell, get something to eat, and then stop at the bank, put some money in, pay some bills, and then we'll see whatever else the day brings. All right, guys, so that's going to be the end of our video. It's starting to rain. I went and got air put in my tires on my truck. That's why my tire light was going on. As you see, we got that little bit of stuff, but I got more things to pick up tomorrow, so I'll just pack around it. But I want you guys to really see something. Tomorrow, or not tomorrow, but Sunday, I'm going to start loading up these brake rotors. Yeah, huge pile. There's some big boys in there too. I picked a bunch of batteries up. Gonna be loading this in. That's why the dump trailer's right here. Usually it's parked here. We're gonna be loading all of them into the dump trailer. Not all of them, but that's gonna be my next video. I'm gonna make an epic rotor video again. So yeah, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna do this. I think Lunchbox is going to come on Sunday, and we're going to throw in, I think, 500 rotors. See what they weigh out to be. That's going to be a better video than this one, but you're going to want to stick around for that video. But all right, guys, remember, it's not a job. It's a fucking adventure. I say get out there and get it, even though it's raining and kind of a waste of time. At least I made some money today.
This right here is my favorite thing ever. In the history of forever. I think about this every day. I think about this all night long. I stay awake, not sleeping, because I'm thinking about this.